What's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to another video with Chris. So today we'll be finally getting rid of our fender eliminator. It's already broken right here, as you can tell. I do have the cover on, so I guess one of the days I was taking it off, it broke. It's been like this for a while. It still works, but this thing has to go. Ugly. It's a lot smoother when I put the low profile mount on, and well, yeah, it's gonna look a lot better, guys. So let's get into it. This is from Motodynamic. I don't know how this goes. Instructions came with it, but we'll see how it goes. This is the plate that's gonna go on top, I believe, on the bottom of the tail, and then I believe this, and then oh, I'm missing my actual license plate bracket. Let me go grab that real quick. This is the guy I was looking for. It's gonna go like right here or something like that, somewhere along the lines with that, with the light somewhere. I don't know how it's gonna work out, but we'll figure it out. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into this build, or tell tidy delete fender eliminator, whatever you want to call it. By the way, I am rocking the new GoPro thing right here, so let me know how it goes. Instead of me putting it on the ground, you could see everything that I'm doing from here. You know, these are my tools I'm using today. Via screwdriver in case I need it. I'm not too sure if I am. My Allen wrenches for the new bolts that come with the Motodynamic kit. Some Loctite, because I guess it was recommended, and then a T25 to take off this. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I'm gonna go ahead and first remove these bolts up here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it'll be these under the fairing. So there's 3 of them underneath the fairing right here. 1, 2, 3. Where's the disconnect? Is right here. Well, that was pretty easy so far. Look at that. This guy previously had this on there. We'll leave it there, no matter. I should probably clean it. There we go. Look at that. Sheesh. Imagine no plate. I finally figured out how to put this freaking thing on. So let me break it down for you guys. Alright. So this is gonna go on the actual fender eliminator, that back of your fairing. This is the brace. You're gonna connect that. It's gonna connect into your actual license plate holder. The light itself goes to a little small hole through right here. You feed it, and those 2 nuts, you're gonna take them off and redo them on the back, so you have light. And then you just connect everything on top. Jesus, I don't know why it took me so long to figure this out. These 3 bolts right here, they will need some type of Loctite, as they will be holding the main thing. So blue's recommended. I only have red, so that's what I'm gonna use. Let's get to it. So take these bad boys off, put it through, come on this side, and put them on. I don't have like a little workbench or anything, so yeah, sorry guys. Sooner or later I will. And I have a table over there, but has too much stuff on it. I don't want to bring it over here, too lazy. So this is what we do. We get on the ground. Alright, tighten them all up. I was just gonna hand tie them, but knowing my luck, they'll freaking get loose and all come apart. So yeah, we're not gonna do that. Now get one of the ones with Loctite and pass your wires through. Line up the first hole and let's go install it. I don't know if I should put these in first, the side ones or not, but I think I'm just gonna line them up to look good. All right. So what do we got? My wires through. And it's all lined up. But yeah. Oh, there's everything. So let's get these side ones in first. The most annoying process of this install would be that you have to do it all at once to connect everything, because this freaking license plate holder gets in the way. Like, nobody wants to freaking turn the Allen key at 90 and take 3 years to freaking finish. Come on now. Oh, Motodynamic, make another hole right here, man. No one's gonna see that. Just tighten it with your hand, Chris. Yeah, I could do that too, but it'd be a lot easier. Oh wow, look, I'm just dumb. Wow. Sorry guys, didn't mean to bash you guys. I'm the dumb one. Not too tight because it is plastic, you gotta remember. Get the baby nuts, bolts. It's all nice and tight, it's all sturdy, doesn't move anywhere. So let's connect the top. For the electrical parts, my favorite, not really. You get 2 wires, black and white. And you get the 2 other wires, black and red. I'm not no scientist or a smart man, but I would assume the black goes with black because that is ground, and the white goes with red because that is power. Oh my gosh, what the hell's going on here? All right, give me them, bro. This should have, wish this was a bit longer if I can bring it out here, but we'll work with what we have. We're complainers, but we're also doers. Make sure it goes in there nice and good. Make sure you hear that click. You don't have to hear it click, but I like to hear it click. And just connect the black connector to the other black connector, your OEM one. And we should technically be good. Wait a second. All right, well that was a little tricky, but we got it. I'm assuming these are for your turn signals, because this doesn't have one. When you get that LED, the one that has the turn signals in it, these will connect to it. It also does come with resistors in case you need them. I put mine in the front. I don't know if I'm gonna need these, but when I get mine, I'll connect it and see what I do from there. So it's all connected. That's good. Let's see if the light works. Wow, would you look at that? It works. Nice LED. That's where the license plate's gonna go. Gonna button it all up. We're good to go. But it works just fine. But that's all I got for you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. You can put black tape around this just to be extra safe that these don't move, which I probably am here in a bit, but I don't know. And install your license, unless you run with no tags, or unless you run with no plates, then that's all you do, you boo. This to this, way better. See you guys in the next one. Peace.